Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to freeze frame in CapCut. To get started, launch CapCut. Import your video to the timeline. Now to freeze the frame, tap on the video part you want to freeze. Move the video frame to exact frame that you would like to capture. And then at the bottom side, you will see Edit option. Click the Edit option and scroll the right side of the screen. Now click on Freeze option and extend the part you would like to freeze. Here you have successfully freezed the frame. Now you are good to go.
If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.